DC, this video is for your testing Pick 3 pi method video. If you are new to the channel, all that method is just taking the number pi, 3.14159, and then just taking 314 and 159 and adding and subtracting that number off of numbers that have already hit to try to see the potential numbers in the next 7 days. For your state, it seems like the numbers are coming from your Wednesdays for this method. And DC, for your state, it was very tough to find a workable method with this method. So for the majority of the video, I had to mirror the number that had already hit, and I'll go through that later with the video here. Alright, so on top of the mirror adjustments, you also have +1 and -1 adjustment. And again, I'll cover that in just a bit. Remember that for this video, all of the math shown is Lotto math. And then the first half of this video will be just the back testing method that I use. I do go back about 30 days to test the method out. And then towards the end of the video will be numbers that I like for the next 7 days potentially that may hit. Okay, so here are the examples for this back testing portion. Alright, so on November 13th, you had 398 hit. You mirror that to 843, and then you're adding 314 and subtracting off 314. I'm going to start with the subtraction first since that number did not hit. So you have 8 minus 3, which is 5. 4 minus 1, which is 3. And then 13 minus 4, which is 9. You're also going to add 314 to 843. 8 plus 3 is 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. And then 3 plus 4 is 7. So 157. You add 1 to that 1 there. That's going to give 2. Bring down 57, and that was a box hit on November 20th. You're going to also add and minus off 159 from that 539 that you got from up here. I'm going to start with the addition portion since that number did not hit in the next 7 days. So 5 plus 1 is 6. 3 plus 5 is 8. 9 plus 9 is 18, or 8. When you subtract off 159, you have 5 minus 1, which is 4. 13 minus 5, which is 8. 9 minus 9, which is 0. That's 480. You're going to add 1 to that 8 there. And that's 490, and that did hit on November 16th. Alright, so here's a few other examples here. Alright, so on November 20th, you had 572 hit. You're going to mirror that to 027. 027 plus 314, so 0 plus 3 is 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. And then 7 plus 4 is 11, or 1. That number did not hit in the next 7 days. You're going to subtract off 314. 10 minus 3 is 7. 2 minus 1 is 1. 7 minus 4 is 3, and then that did hit straight on November 26th. All right, and then November 27th, you had 934 hit. You're going to mirror to 489. 489 plus 314, so 4 plus 3 is 7. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 4 is 13, or 3. Subtract off 1 from the 9 there. That's 783, and that did hit as box on November 30th. Okay, so on this date, December 4th, the mirroring did not work, so you're just using the number that hit. So 543 is what hit. You're going to add 314, so 5 plus 3 is 8. 4 plus 1 is 5. 3 plus 4 is 7. And then you also subtract off 314, so you have 5 minus 3, which is 2. 4 minus 1, which is 3. 13 minus 4, which is 9, and neither of those hit in the next 7 days. You're also going to add 159 to the 857 that was up here. Eight plus 1 is 9. 5 plus 5 is 10, or 0. 7 plus 9 is 6, or 16. Subtract off the 1 from that 0, so 10 minus 1 is 9. Bring down that 96, and that was 996. And that it did hit box on December 11. And then you also subtract off 159. So you have 8 minus 1, which is 7. 5 minus 5, which is 0. 17 minus 9, which is 8. Subtract off 1 from that 0. 10 minus 1 is 9, and then that is 798, and that hit on December 10th. And then you also are going to subtract off 159 from that 239, which was from up here. 239 minus 159, so 2 minus 1 is 1. 13 minus 5, which is 8. And then 9 minus 9 is 0. You're going to subtract off 1 from the 0 there, so 10 minus 1 is 9. And then 189 did hit on December 5th. All right, and then just, I think one more example here. So on December 11th, you had 699 hit. You're going to mirror to 144. 144 plus 314 is 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. And then 4 plus 4 is 8. You're going to add 1 to the 8 there. That's 9. Bring down 4, 5. And then 459 did hit as box on December 12th. All right, DC, so based on all of that, what I just covered, the potential numbers in the next 7 days is going to be from that 171 that hit today and the mirror of it, which is 626. I'm trying to get this camera to focus, but it won't do it, so I'll just read this off. So the numbers I have hitting potentially in the next 7 days is 524, 866, 322, 920, 012, 030, 312, and 931. All right, DC, that is it. If you have any questions or comments, just let me know in that comment section.